Well, hello everyone, Dave Cook to Franco Finishes, and we are hanging Ralph Lauren Grasscloth. So there is the pattern number and the shade number. Wait, need that pattern number, which is the color. And then we actually had some pretty good instructions, how to paste it, what to use. This did not require a lining paper. It was pre-trimmed at the factory, so you have to trim it. And they had a couple other things on there, make sure you're inspecting it. You will see the seams, there'll be coloration, varied colorations, but bottom of the stairs and then the top of the stairs. So we have a pivot tool that we use there, and we had a multi-purpose ladder up there so we could reach the top, which was pretty interesting. And this stuff with that curvature on there, if I did this again, I probably would use alignment paper on something like this, because even though we got it on there, the paper still kind of moved on us a little bit more than I kind of liked. So we had to come in and kind of do a little shading with some colored pencils on the edges as it went up, which worked pretty good. Kind of the quirky thing about this with that curve is you still see the edges, so it looks good there. And it kind of turns a little white, and then when you get the other side, you see the shade of where these are. Even though it's smooth, you still see the lighting, how it hits that kind of makes it look kind of different. Otherwise, the stuff was really good. Just a little bit, you can see a little bit of silver on my gloves. Not too bad compared to some of the other stuff, but easy to hang. We booked it, we used Roman clay adhesive, wallpaper table, of course. And we just booked it, put it to the wall. It said I think it was 3 minutes you had to book it. The alternate was paste the wall, but with the size of the walls and how high this was, 17 feet here, we just didn't have the time to be able to paste that and then go hang the paper. So there you go. There's an install on how we did the Ralph Lauren Grasscloth. If you have any questions, give us a call to Franco Painting and Wallpaper. Love to help you love the space you're in.